Here we're going to practice some metric conversions. For example, changing kilometers to meters or changing millimeters to hectometers. So one way to remember how to do this is the mnemonic, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And this order is important. The K stands for kilo, H hecto, then deca. The B is the base, whether you're measuring in meters, liters, or grams, and then deci, centi, milli. The biggest is kilo, the smallest is milli. If you are going from a large unit to a smaller unit, you are going to multiply your number by 10. If you're going from a small unit to a big unit, you're going to divide by 10. So let's go over a couple examples. Here we're asked to convert centimeters, which is right here, to meters, which is one of our bases. So centimeters to meters. We're going from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So that means we are going to be dividing by 10 2 times. Another way to think of that is moving the decimal place over 2 times. So if our decimal point is here, we're going to move it to the left, 1, 2. And then any empty spaces will fill in with a 0. So 6.88 centimeters is 0.688 meters. Let's try another. Here we're asked to change millimeters to meters. Again, meters is one of the base units. So here we are moving 1, 2, 3 boxes to the left. We're getting bigger, so that means we are going to divide our number by 10 3 times. Again, another way to think of that, dividing by 10, is moving the decimal point over one place for each time you're dividing by 10. So if our decimal point is here, we need to move it over 1, 2, 3 places, 1, 2, 3 places to right here. So that means that 4,950 millimeters is the same as 4.950 meters. And we can take that last 0 on the right off when you're dealing with decimals. Now this one we're converting from liters, which is another one of the base units, to milliliters. So we are going from a big unit to a smaller unit. We're moving to the right. So that means we are going to be multiplying by 10 3 times. Or again, another way of thinking of that is moving the decimal point to the right 3 times. So our decimal point is right here. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3 to right here. And any empty spaces we fill with a 0. So 24.47 liters is 24,470 milliliters. Let's try one more. Now this one I didn't put the chart up there, and you're not going to have that chart on your, like when you're working out problems on your own either. So you need to remember the mnemonic. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So remember, the B stands for that base. So in this case, we're going from kilograms, which is right here, to milligrams, which is way over here. So how many boxes are we moving over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So since we're going from big to small, we're multiplying by 10 6 times. Or we're moving that decimal point over to the right 6 times. So 5.76. Now let's move that over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to right here. And fill all those empty spots with zeros. So 5, 7, 6, and 4 zeros. And let's put our commas in. So 5.76 kilograms is the same as 5,760,000 milligrams.